Okay, guys, it is another beautiful week for every one of us again, and of course, we will be checking out the trending market for the week again. Okay, I want to say big congratulations to those of you that are on the Telegram channel. We really rocked it together yesterday. Just within 2 to 3 hours, we were able to make over $100 right from there, even with a very small capital. And of course, for those of you using this trading tool, it has always been very easy for you to follow up with the setup, with the signals on the trading tool. Okay, so and you guys have been making some good amount of money for yourself right from there. I'm really happy about that. Okay, I saw all the screenshots. I'm really happy about the trading results we had yesterday. Okay, so more signals will be dropped there today and of course throughout this week. However, before I go into what we have for today, okay, I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out, and remember, everything I'll be doing is going to be on the higher time frame. The reason is I'm checking out the charts for the week. Okay, so this is very important, so you should be able to bring it down to lower time frame whenever you are trading, so that you can have a good trading opportunity. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay, guys, this is Boom 1000, and just the way you have seen it, okay, I'm on H1 and I'm using the 3M trend milk trading indicator. This actually went down till it got to this support zone. Okay, right from here it went back on uptrend. You can see the yellow flag. Okay, and of course it kept on buying and buying till it got to the top right here, and of course right from the top it started a downtrend. You can see it, we got a single signal, sell signal right from here, and it has been selling since then. Even though it is very close to this support zone, if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on uptrend, but for now it is still very much on downtrend. Okay, although it might not be for long. Okay, probably for like a day or two it might be on downtrend, and of course change from downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, so that is if it's unable to break out from the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is Boom 500. Let me try to delete some of these horizontal lines. Okay, so you can see right from this support zone it picked up an uptrend, gave us the yellow flag which signifies an uptrend, and the blue arrow which signifies a buy signal, and kept on buying, broke out from this particular resistance zone to get to a new resistance zone at the top. So it has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right from there. So we should experience more of a downtrend than an uptrend. So next asset is going to be Crash 1000. This is Crash 1000, and of course still on 1 hour time frame, it actually got to this support zone, and of course it went back on uptrend, played around there for a while before breaking out above it to get to a new resistance zone. Had a pullback, went back there, still unable to break out from there. If it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this region. Okay, I mean, if it's unable to break out from here, then it should go back on downtrend, but for now it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, let's move on to Crash 500. Okay, this is Crash 500, and just the way we are seeing it, it had been on uptrend for long, played around the resistance zone for a very long time before going fully into a downtrend, but it got to this support zone and it was unable to break out from this support zone, so it has been playing between this section, these two sections at the moment. And of course, guys, if it breaks out above this, then it will buy more, but if it goes back down and breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. So wait for the breakouts to happen. Okay, wait for the breakout to happen to let you know what to go for. Okay, the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is V75. Let me quickly delete some of this. Okay, good. So this has been on downtrend for a very long time. Got to the support zone, played around there for a while, had the pullback, and of course went back down to break out below it, and of course it is at a new support zone at the moment. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on uptrend, but for now it is still playing around there at the moment. But so it is still on downtrend at the moment. It might not be for a very long time. In case it's unable to break out from the support zone, then that will move it up into an uptrend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today, and all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, kindly drop your questions within the comment section, and if you love this video and you want more of this, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.